If you want to start YouTube but you hate the camera, if you don't like your voice, or you feel you are not confident enough yet, this video is for you, because today I am going to show you how to create full YouTube videos using AI without showing your face at all. No camera, no fancy setup, no experience needed. And this is not the same boring method everyone else is teaching. Most beginners fail on YouTube for one reason. They try to do everything manually. They worry about how they look, how they sound, how to edit, how to talk confidently. But Faceless AI videos remove all that pressure. Here is the truth. People don't subscribe because of your face. They subscribe because of value, clarity, and consistency. AI helps you focus on those three things and achieve them. Most creators teach AI like this. Use this tool, then this tool, then that one. That is confusing. Instead, I will show you a 4-step AI content system. 1 is idea, 2 is script, 3 is visuals, and 4 is voice. Once you understand this system,
you can apply it to any AI tool you like and get the results you desire. Let's start from the beginning.
The hardest part of YouTube is not editing. It's knowing what to post. This is where ChatGPT becomes your content trusted partner. Instead of saying, give me video ideas, say something like, act like a YouTube growth expert, and give me 10 beginner-friendly video ideas for a faceless channel in the AI niche. Now you are not guessing anymore. You are creating content with direction. Once you have your idea, don't write from the scratch. Ask AI to use simple words to explain like you're talking to a beginner. Break the script into short sections. For example, write a 5-minute YouTube script. Use simple English and explain step by step. Add a strong hook and a clear ending. Then read the script and edit it slightly. Add your style to the generated script. Remove anything that sounds robotic. By so doing, AI gives you the structure while you give it personality.
Now, let us demonstrate with ChatGPT. Let's go to the app. When you select the app, you type in the prompting field where you have Ask ChatGPT, act like a YouTube growth expert and give me ten beginner friendly video ideas. Beginner friendly video ideas for a faceless channel in the AI niche. You send. As you can see, the video ideas has been generated. The first one is this free AI tool does in 10 seconds what takes humans 1 hour. Second one, I give AI a simple prompt. Here is what it created. Third one, AI tools beginners are sleeping on. 4. How to use ChatGPT like a pro. 5. AI versus human. What does better? Who does better? Who does it better? And so on and so forth, up to 10 different video ideas has been generated. Now, when the ideas are generated, you choose a particular video idea and develop it further into video script. I am going to choose idea number 6, which says, stop doing this manually. AI can do it for you. I will take this, copy it, come back to ChatGPT. I'll paste this idea. And now I will say, using simple English language develop this idea into a detailed video script. Add a strong hook and a clear ending. Now our video script is generated. Stop doing this manually. AI can do it for you. The video clip have been developed. Time has even been allotted. From here you see the hook. Stop doing this manually. You are wasting time, and AI can do it for you. That is the hook. The problem, many people still write messages, emails, caption, and ideas by hand. They think it saves money, but it actually wastes hours. You can see the AI solution and till the end of it. So that is how you can use ChatGPT to generate your video script and save time.
Now let us talk about visuals. With AI, you don't need a camera. You can use stock videos, screen recordings, AI generated images and text animations. For example, if you are explaining AI tools, record your screen showing the tool. If you are telling a story, use stock clips and captions.
If you are teaching concepts, use animated text and icons. The goal is clarity, not beauty. Simple visuals plus clear message is equal to watch time. Many beginners ask, should I use AI voice? Here is my honest advice. Yes, at the beginning. AI voices help you start faster, stay consistent, and remove fear. But choose natural sounding voices. and keep sentences short. Later, when you gain confidence, you can switch to your real voice. You don't need advanced editing skills. Just focus on cutting out silence, adding captions, using background music softly. If your video is clear and helpful, editing doesn't need to be complex. Most viral faceless videos are simple, not cinematic. Here's what most creators don't tell you. Your first few videos are not for views. They are for learning. Don't chase perfection, chase consistency. One video every week is better than waiting 3 months for one perfect video. YouTube rewards momentum. You don't need confidence to start. You gain confidence by starting. AI removes excuses because it assists you do your work. Faceless videos remove fear. If you are serious about growing on YouTube using AI, subscribe to Toolgenic Hub. I share simple AI tips, smart prompts, and creator shortcuts every week. Now stop watching and go create your content. If you want next, a Faceless channel niche list, a step-by-step AI short strategy, or a done-for-you AI prompt pack. Tell me what you want next, and I will build it for you.